What's going on, guys? Show you a little what I got going on. Okay, I'm gonna transplant a cactus, this beauty out. I'm gonna show you how I do that. So obviously you can't, you're not gonna go, oh, that thing's sharp. Check it out. I got a pot, nice loose pot. See, it's flexible, so it won't damage the plant. And I'm gonna flip it upside down there. All right. Like that. Now, go ahead and get your soil ready in your pot. We're staging this pot. Staging is making it look nice in a pot. The pot's the frame. This is the artwork, and then whatever we put on the top is the background. So now we got our cactus right here. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it upside down. You want a little bit higher. Okay. Perfect, just like that. I'm gonna fill this sucker up. By doing this, you won't get dirt on top of the succulent either, on top of the cactus. You won't have to clean it out, It's a pain trying to get like grass off cactus and stuff. There we go. There it is. Do a little adjustment. Bring that down. There it is. Perfectly in there. Put a little bit more dirt around here. Real gently. You don't want to get any dirt on this cactus. I mean, it's not going to hurt it. You're just going to have troubles getting it all off. There we go. Finish the staging. A lot of people don't use rocks, but by me using rocks, I clearly have to water. I water like too much. And it just makes it look really nice. There it is. Beautiful. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Crazy. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.